The spacebar on the keyboard generally creates space between words, but sometimes you may notice that pressing it turns down the volume. So in this video, we'll guide you through the solutions to help you fix the problem. Now if your spacebar has suddenly started to turn down the volume on your Windows 11, one of the first solutions you should try is restarting your computer. It refreshes all the programs and processes running in the background while clearing out any software conflicts that may be causing the issue. If that did not work, tweak some keyboard settings by opening Control Panel, go to Ease of Access, choose Make the keyboard easier to use, uncheck the boxes next to Turn on Sticky Keys and Turn on Filter Keys. Now click on Apply and select OK. Moreover, check for third-party software. To do that, just open Task Manager, go to Processes tab, and see if any suspicious apps are causing the issue. Now once you have identified the software, close the window, open Apps and Features. Then in here, scroll down to the faulty application and select Uninstall from the option list. Lastly, run the DISM and SFC scan by opening Command Prompt with admin rights. Type in the following commands one by one, then press Enter. And that's how to fix if your spacebar is turning down the volume on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.